People, who ever hear the saying say pig eat any and anything, pig eat anybody, this are the living proof. I did a video yesterday when I talked about a YouTuber by the name of Leo who paid $1,000 to him friend for him friend unalive him side chick because she sent a video to him wife in the US. I talk about that little more down in the video. But the villagers find out say a Leo do it, who is our man. She's the side chick to Leo, right? The villagers them find out that and the people them owe Leo and throw him to the pig for the pig eat him. Literally, I see in the video, the pig yam out the whole of him face. If you aren't a strong dog, go watch it because it's not a pretty sight. But when you don't know the regular, if you want to see the video, go on Google, search for mountain.com, watch the video on that website. But before I talk about the full story, let me explain for some people on the back who don't know how to watch the video. When you go on Google and search for mountain.com, you'll click on the article and you will scroll go all the way down to the bottom of the page. Reading is fundamental. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, you're going to see where it says click this button right here to watch the pig video. When you click that big red button, you will see the video right there. However, let's talk about the story. So, Leo and Jacida, hope me I pronounce her name right, R.I.P. my condolences to you, baby girl. Leo pay him friend $1,000 for unalive Jacida. Him been a hide and a sleep out with Jacida and she tired eyed people. So Jacida want Leo for herself. So what she do? She send a video to Leo's wife who is a US citizen. The wife here been a send Leo money back to Haiti. Promise for married. No, she already married him. Not promise marriage. She already married him. But she for file female for come to the US and for get him green card and thing like that. But just said I never want him to leave Haiti. She want him to stay there with him. So what she do? She send a video to the man's wife in the US. Say yo, him and her is together and him been a cheat on her. Leo find out said just said I did this and Leo paid the $1,000 for him friend unalive her. But it's not like them just unalive her and that's it. No, them burn her body. The villagers, when them find out about this, they were so upset and angry. And how them find out? Leo tell him wife what him do. He might try to show him wife loyalty for say, babe, I'll do anything to keep you in my life. And that's why Leo unalive Jacida, allegedly. People, there is more part to that story. I tell you now. So make sure you follow the page for part 3. Because the villagers on the hunt for Leo friend who did the unaliving. So them already catch Leo, feed him to the pig them. Now I'm friend turn. So make sure now follow the page because I'm gonna keep up with the story and give you the updates as it come. You understand what I say? So big up on yourself. I'm mountain.com. I keep on giving the latest news and updates. I'm out.